In the aftermath of the dynamite explosion at a coal mine in THANGSKO, East Jaintia district, which occurred on the 5th of February 2026 and resulted in the death of 18 mine workers, official reports have confirmed that several injured victims are currently undergoing treatment at medical institutions in Shillong. According to medical records, Shanki Shala, 35 years of age, a resident of Clariat East in East Jaintia Hills district, is receiving treatment at Nazareth Hospital. Meanwhile, other injured persons are being treated at Negrims, including Deb Malakar, 25 years of age, and Jamil Ahmed, 36 years, from Assam, along with Korma, 46 years, Bom Magar, 44 years, Lalit Magar, 40 years, and Noor Bahadur, 35 years, all natives of Nepal. Hospital sources stated that all the injured sustained second-degree burn injuries in addition to respiratory distress and other trauma caused by the blast. Relatives and acquaintances of some of the injured who were present at Negrims expressed shock and stated that they were unaware that the victims had been engaged in coal mining work at the site and were distressed by the tragic incident.
আগুন লাগিয়া এ খাদমিও নাই বাসিরা না আর দেখো মানুষে বেঠিনতে জামাইনতে বউয়াইনতে খিলা খান্দিরা ও দেখো ইয়া আল্লাহ ও দেখো সব মানুষ খামো ভিতরে হ্যাঁ ও দেখো সব আগুন লাগছে ভিডিও কে होता है ना यार नेट में तो छोड़ देना हेर्नु सबै मान्छे बचाउनु सके छैन.
Rescue efforts continued on Thursday after a powerful explosion ripped through an illegal coal mine in Meghalaya's East Jaintia Hills district, with several workers still feared trapped underground, police officials said. The blast occurred at around 11 a.m. inside the mine situated in a forested area nearly 72 kilometers from the state capital of Shillong. Superintendent of Police Vikash Kumar said preliminary findings indicate that the explosion was caused by the use of dynamite during rat hole mining, a hazardous method involving narrow tunnels that has been banned but continues to be practiced in parts of the state. Authorities have so far recovered 18 bodies, while one critically injured worker suffering from severe burn injuries has been shifted to a hospital in Shillong. Officials said the exact number of laborers trapped inside the mine remains unclear. Police have registered a case against unidentified persons as investigations are underway to identify the owners and operators of the mine as well as the victims. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced ex gratia assistance of rupees 2 lakh for the families of those killed and rupees 50,000 for the injured. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said accountability would be fixed and assured strict legal action against those responsible for the incident.
That took place in East Jaintia Hills, where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Minsingot, THANGSKO area in East Jaintia Hills. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Shillong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnels from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarters. takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakman Rumbui and Mr. Vailat Mikishila, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened. You're aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time, individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that, I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself. But this is the information that we have as of now.